Take a look at your phone. It's not just for memes or food delivery. It can be a powerful cybersecurity tool. Imagine it quietly scanning networks, mapping devices, and testing defenses, just like a pro's toolkit. This is Osint Girl, and today we're exploring 10 apps that can turn your Android into a serious security device. Quick disclaimer, this is for education and awareness only. Never use these tools on networks you don't own or have permission to test. The goal? Learn to defend, not attack. Let's use this knowledge for good and dive in. Fing scans your Wi-Fi network in seconds and shows every connected device: laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and more. The app identifies device types, manufacturers, and lets you label each one, so you can spot any unfamiliar or suspicious device instantly. Fing also runs internet speed tests, diagnoses slow connections, and scans for open ports that could be security risks. If you want to know who's on your Wi-Fi and secure your network, Fing is a must-have tool. Wireshark lets you capture and view real-time data packets moving across your network. Open the app, start a capture, and you'll see every website, app, and device communicating on your Wi-Fi. Use Wireshark to check which apps are sending data, where that data is going, and whether it's encrypted. Look for HTTPS traffic. Your data will appear as unreadable, which means it's protected. If you spot HTTP traffic, watch for plain text credentials like usernames and passwords. These are visible and vulnerable. Avoid using sites that don't encrypt your data. Use Wireshark to audit app behavior, troubleshoot network issues, and detect suspicious activity. It's a hands-on way to spot risks and improve your cybersecurity. WHOIS is a session hijacking tool that captures session cookies on unsecured Wi-Fi networks. With just a few taps, it can let someone access your social media, email, or bank accounts. No password needed. Testing WHOIS on your own network quickly shows how exposed your information is on public Wi-Fi. To protect yourself, always use a VPN. It encrypts your internet traffic, making session hijacking with tools like WHOIS nearly impossible. Use a VPN on any network you don't control to keep your data safe from these attacks. Now let's talk web security. Enter Burp Suite. It acts as a man in the middle, intercepting and letting you modify your own web traffic. You can inspect login forms, see hidden data, and test how servers respond to unexpected input. This is how researchers find vulnerabilities like SQL injection or XSS. Burp Suite's mobile assistant lets you proxy your Android traffic for deep app testing. It's advanced but crucial for understanding web app security. What you see in your browser is just the tip of the iceberg. Burp Suite reveals the hidden conversations between your apps and the web. Aircrack-ng is all about Wi-Fi security. It tests the strength of your Wi-Fi password by capturing the handshake and trying to crack it. If your password is weak, Aircrack-ng will break it fast, proving why strong, unique passwords matter. It can also sniff packets and perform deauthentication attacks to force devices to reconnect, capturing more data. Running aircrack-ng on Android brings powerful auditing to your pocket. It's a wake-up call. Use strong passwords and the latest encryption, like WPA3. Test your own network before someone else does. Don't wait for a breach to learn your lesson. Want everything in one place? Meet Kali NetHunter. It's the mobile version of Kali Linux, packed with hundreds of security tools. NetHunter turns your Android into a portable penetration testing lab. You get command line power, hardware attack features, and advanced Wi-Fi testing. It's not for beginners. Installing it requires a rooted device and Linux know-how. But it's the ultimate platform for learning and professional security work. If you want to master cybersecurity, NetHunter is your mobile classroom. It's a complete toolkit in your pocket. Prefer simplicity? zANTI is your push-button pentest toolkit. It wraps powerful network tests in a user-friendly interface. No command line needed. zANTI maps your network, scans for vulnerabilities, and can simulate attacks with just a tap. It checks for session hijacking, SSL stripping, and more, then gives you clear reports. It's a fantastic learning tool, showing you what attackers could do to your network. But with great power comes great responsibility. Use it only on networks you own. zANTI makes security testing accessible to everyone. See your network through an attacker's eyes. cSploit brings Metasploit-like power to Android. It's an advanced suite for network analysis and penetration testing. cSploit maps networks, scans for vulnerabilities, and lets you try real exploits on your own systems. It includes man-in-the-middle tools, like replacing images or injecting code on unencrypted sites. It's a hands-on way to learn how exploitation works in the real world. Like NetHunter, it's for advanced users and usually needs a rooted device. cSploit is perfect for those ready to move beyond scanning and into ethical exploitation. Simulate real attacks to strengthen your defenses. Not all security is about breaking in. Sometimes it's about hiding. PixelKnot is a steganography app that hides secret messages inside ordinary photos. Choose a picture, type your message, set a password, and PixelKnot embeds your secret in the image's pixels. The photo looks unchanged, but only someone with the app and password can extract the message. It's a fascinating way to learn about covert communication. Steganography has legitimate uses and risks. PixelKnot shows that data can be hidden in plain sight. Security is also about controlling information, not just protecting it. There you have it, 10 tools that turn your phone into a cybersecurity powerhouse. With the right knowledge, you can map, test, and defend your digital world. These apps make security real and hands-on, not just theory. The more you understand, the better you can protect yourself and others. Which tool surprised you most? Did we miss your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Osint Girl for more and stay safe out there. Your phone is your power. Use it wisely.